I'm out here working in the garden today, pulling up some of the cherry tomatoes that are about exhausted, and I am replanting with ones that we had started from seed. It's very late in the season, and we may not have the right weather for these things to mature and bear fruit. These are the ones we use for canning. With everything that was going on in our lives, I did not have time to come out here and put these in. I hope that the weather holds out and that everything stays nice and hot and humid. If all you are relying on is hope, that's not a good plan. Hope is nice, but have the plan. I hope that the weather holds out. I plan on buying 3 boxes of canning tomatoes from my local garden market, my local farmer's market down the road. Hope is nice. It's not the same thing as a plan, though. Hope all you want, still have a plan. Until next time, guys, keep learning, keep testing, and keep trying to build a more self-reliant life. Take care of your people. Don't just hope, have a plan.